Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling the wallpaper carousel and getting the device ready. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure battery is above 20% so downloads and processing complete. Next, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen to open the wallpaper picker, then select Wallpaper Carousel. This first step initiates the process and brings up the controls you'll use to pick sources, categories, and rotation frequency. Now you'll pick where images come from and tailor how they appear. Choose curated collections, your gallery, or a cloud album. Each source affects variety and file size. Next, set rotation frequency, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, or daily, and enable shuffle for randomness. This determines how often the carousel swaps images. Finally, adjust crop and brightness settings and decide whether to apply wallpapers to home, lock, or both. These choices balance aesthetics. Finish by saving your configuration and watching 1 or 2 cycles to confirm behavior. This validates rotation, cropping, and source access. If images don't update, make sure the app has storage and photo permissions and that the device is online. Permissions or connectivity are the usual culprits. If problems persist, remove and re-add the source album or reset the carousel settings, then reapply. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues while preserving your chosen style and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.